Characteristics of competition. Detail going on. First character, it is universal. Second, it is impersonal. 3, it is an unconscious activity. 4, it is continuous process. Detail about it. First, it is universal. Competition is found in every society and in every age. It is found in every group. It is one aspect of struggle which is universal, not only in human society but also in the plant and animal worlds. It is the natural result of the universal struggle for existence. Second, it is impersonal. Competition is not a personal action. It is an interaction without social contact. The competitors are not in contact and do not know one another. They do not compete with each other on a personal level. The attention of all the competitors is fixed on the goal they aim at. Due to this reason, competition is known as an impersonal affair. Three, it is an unconscious activity. Competition takes place on the unconscious level. Achievement of goal of the reward is regarded as the main object of competitors. Rarely they do know about other competitors. For example, the students of a particular class get engaged to secure the highest marks in the final examination. They do not conceive of their classmates as competitors. Students may no doubt be conscious of the competition and much concern about marks. Their attention is focused on the reward or goals rather on the competitors. Four, it is continuous process. Competition never comes to an end. It is not an intermittent process. It is continuous. As goods are short in supply, there must be competition among the people for their procurement. The desire for status, name, fame, glory, power and wealth in an ever increasing degree makes competition a continuous process in human society. Thank you. Have a nice day.